Now on to the coronavirus and the soaring COVID-19 numbers as people keep waiting on long lines to get tested. Additional testing sites are open in New York, but they come as coronavirus numbers keep trending in the wrong direction. Just today, there were more than 67,000 positive tests across New York. That's a jump of over 26,000 from yesterday. And in the city, there were over 21,000 cases, an increase of 1,600 from yesterday. And as positive cases continue to pile up, the CDC is facing a lot of questions for shortening the COVID-19 isolation period from 10 to 5 days. And when it's over, no negative test results is required to leave. Fox 5's Jessica Formoso is here now with the CDC's answers on that and much more. Jessica.
Good evening, Lori. The director of the CDC, Dr. Rochelle Walensky, defending the agency's new COVID-19 isolation and quarantine guidelines this morning. She says the thinking behind this new guidance is supported by 2 years of science. The newly updated CDC guidelines has many wondering why the federal agency is cutting the number of days you have to isolate in half right when the country is seeing a surge in cases.
Let me make clear that we are standing on the shoulders of 2 years of science. 2 years of understanding transmissibility.
CDC Director Dr. Rochelle Walensky pushing back on criticism. On Monday, the agency announced those who have COVID-19, vaccinated or not, only need to isolate for 5 days instead of 10, as long as the person is asymptomatic. And no testing is required at the end of the isolation period. That's because she says PCR tests for COVID can be positive for up to 12 weeks, long after a person is no longer infectious.
We also don't know that antigen tests give a good indication of transmissibility at this stage of infection.
Walensky, however, said rapid tests do work well for those testing regularly, like at schools. But there is still confusion about how rapid tests should be used after the FDA said new data shows antigen tests may be less sensitive when it comes to detecting the Omicron variant.
In some of the tests, there appears to be somewhat of a diminution, not a disappearance, but a diminution of the sensitivity.
Dr. Anthony Fauci says studies from South Africa and the UK indicate that Omicron is less severe than previous variants. Meanwhile, the World Health Organization says the number of COVID cases worldwide is up 11% from last week.
I'm highly concerned that Omicron, being more transmissible, circulating at the same time as Delta, is leading to a tsunami of cases.
The CDC also has new quarantine guidelines for those exposed to COVID. If you are boosted or have been vaccinated in the past 6 months, no quarantine is needed. However, you should wear a mask for 10 days following your known exposure and get tested on day 5. If you're not vaccinated or have been vaccinated past 6 months, you should quarantine for 5 days and also get tested on day 5. Lori?
All right, Jessica, thank you.